Hello, friends. Welcome back to Online Web Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to get data between two dates using the whereBetween, whereDate, and where functions in Laravel 12. Let's get started. I am taking an example using the post table. This table has data from 3rd July to 7th July 2025. I want to fetch all records from 3rd July to 7th July. Let's write the code. Import carbon. Now define start date and end date. I am using carbon to format the date. Using the post table to fetch data, I am using the whereBetween method for date comparison. The number of records is from 0 to 6. Let's check the records in the database. There are records from 0 to 7. Here, one record for 7th July is missing. Let's check what went wrong with our query. I am using the query log function to display the executed query. Here, the parameters include the current time with the date. For 3rd July, it is taking data after 6:47. In our table, the record for 3rd July has a time of 12, which is greater than 6. For 7th July, it's fetching data before 6:47. The record for 7th July also has a time greater than 6, so it's not being fetched. Now, let's use the startOfDay and endOfDay functions. The output is the number of records is 8, which matches the table records. Here's the date and time. It's important to always use startOfDay and endOfDay, with whereBetween to fetch records within the given date range. Now, method 2, using the whereDate function. This function compares only the date, so it always gives the correct result. Remove startOfDay and endOfDay function. The output is the number of records is 8. We have the where method. It's similar to whereBetween. The number of records is from 0 to 6. To get the correct result, we need to add startOfDay and endOfDay. The output is the number of records is 8. Thanks for watching.